Hey fam, 𝗫𝗫 here. If you've been stuck in the world of static cuts, you're in the right place. Today, we're demystifying the single most powerful tool in Final Cut Pro, keyframes. So, what even is a keyframe? Forget the complicated definitions. Think of it like a bookmark for your animation. You place one keyframe to say start here, and another to say end here. Final Cut Pro then magically creates all the movement in between. Let's do it together. I have a logo here on my timeline. With it selected, I'll go to the inspector, see these little diamonds next to position and scale. Those are your keyframe buttons. Stop letting your graphics just sit there. This one skill is the secret to making everything in your videos move, and I'm going to teach it to you in less than 3 minutes. Another option is with your clip select. Use the keyboard short Shift+T. In your viewer window, you'll notice on the left a diamond shape with a plus in the middle. You can also add keyframes by selecting the button. Move your playhead to the beginning of the clip and click the keyframe diamond for both position and scale. You've just set your starting point. Now, move the playhead forward about 2 seconds. Let's change the scale to make it bigger and move the position to the right. See that? Final Cut automatically added a second keyframe for you. Now play it back. You just created animation. It's that simple. But here's the pro tip. You can speed up or slow down your animation. Right-click on your clip and go to Show Video Animation. You can see your keyframes here. To make the animation faster, move the last keyframe closer. Now, play back your video. To slow down the animation, yup, you guessed it. You just have to move your start and stop keyframes further apart. Do you notice the difference? And that's it. You now have the fundamental skill to animate anything you want. If this tutorial helped you, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more tips that will make you a better editor.